Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to enable Live Spaces notifications on the X app. If you've ever missed an important conversation or wanted to stay connected with the latest spaces happening in real time, this quick setup will make sure you're always in the loop. First, let's start with your phone settings. Open up the Settings app on your device. This is the place where you manage how different apps interact with your phone, including the notifications you receive. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section gives you a full list of every application installed on your device. Find and select the X app from the list. Tapping on it will open all the settings associated with the app itself. Next, look for the option labeled Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what type of alerts you want to see. Tap on it to move forward. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see something called Notification Categories. This is a breakdown of all the different features within the app that can send you alerts. To make sure you're notified whenever a new space goes live, go ahead and tap on that. Finally, you'll see the option for Live Spaces. Toggle this switch on, and just like that, you're set. From now on, whenever a space starts that you might be interested in, you'll receive a notification right on your device. This small adjustment ensures you won't miss out on real-time discussions, community conversations, or trending topics unfolding live on X. It's a simple step that makes a big difference if you enjoy being part of those engaging spaces. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Live Spaces notifications on the X app. Now you can sit back, stay updated, and join the conversations that matter most to you as soon as they begin. If you found this guide helpful, follow these steps on your own device and enjoy never missing another space again.